Hello everybody, Sean Fournier, Product Manager for Dryspin lead screws at igus, and today I'm here for part 3 of our facilities updates videos, and we've come a long way since part 2. Remember, last time we met, we had just gotten some of our first machines from the ports, ready, getting set up, and fast forward a few months, we are a fully fledged machine shop, able to do keyways, journals, flats, threaded ends, and really anything that you need for your lead screw applications, all of which will be rolled on our 3 rolling machines in-house here in Rumford, Rhode Island. And anything that you need to be configured can be found in our online tools for any customization needs that you might have. In addition to that, we've been working to build up our in-house capacity for warehousing. So around me are about 50 tons of Acme lead screws, pre-rolled, in stock, ready to ship. So if you have any questions, go to igus.com to check out our online shop, as well as our online configurator tool for any custom parts you might need, all made in here in the USA. Thank you.